Logan riding his new vehicle. It's got a new battery in it, so it works finally. Thank you, Brenda and Brian. He loves it. He's already crashed into my car once. Doesn't quite have the steering down yet, so we just let him do donuts. I try to help him steer and he pushes my hand away. He wants to do it himself. Such an independent little stinker. Round and round he goes. Getting ready for his race car driving career, just going around and around, making laps over and over and over.